Okay, so hello everyone. I can see some people coming in, so that's great. Let me know how it sounds, if it's not music too loud. Okay, what's with this? Okay, I cannot see the chat. Give me like 2 seconds. Okay, I can see flatbed tracker. Join in. Perfect. What is on the agenda? Two devices I have prepared for today. One is, I believe, just like a kind of charging station, I believe. I'm not sure really for what, maybe some tiny forklift or something like that. And second one is the frequency inverter. And the question is, which one I supposed to start off? Okay, HP test jet, so you mean this PC, station PC, right? Or printer, you mean? Printer, okay. Because old PC, station PC was also one type of desk jet. I believe I have one. Okay, tell me how the sound is. If music is not too loud? Okay, cool. But can you still hear it? Perfect. Okay, so what do you think? What shall we start? Frequency inverter or those charging stations? Left hand. Okay, frequency inverter in here. Cool. So let's go to a side. If will be enough time, I will take care of other one as well. But yeah, I'm planning about to around 1 hour stream. That should do good. So frequency inverter, Panasonic, quite big. I'm counting on some nice cast alu, as I can see in here. And yeah, let's say some good electronics inside, some big capacitors supposed to be, few gold plated pins as well. Anyway, let's get to it. No, just some plugs. No, this is screw it together. Hello there, Elena. Another plugs with tiny piece of wiring, and this plugs has gold pins inside, so that's cool. Tiny amount of wiring, low grade. Anyway, let's just cut them all. No, not really fixing, but I just taking it apart to get all the nice materials out of it. So got another plugs. No gold in this one, too bad. One more. See some more wiring in here. Okay, cool. Another piece of wire, always red. Oh, so yeah, that is our toys. Let's try to take away those cover. I see some pins in here. One more on the other side. Hello there, Ability Mom. Happy New Year to you as well. Thanks for stopping by. Nice of you. Come on out. Okay. One clip, catch it again. Oh, dining room, it's not a good place, mate, especially for the printer with the ink and all those dirty stuff. Hello Brian, how are you doing, mate? Just pop up this front panel. Come on out. No, it fell out itself anyway, even better. Just two tiny clips and just plastic anyway. What do we have here? Few buttons with the silver inside. Tiny bits, but always something. And could be some gold in those LEDs as well. And yeah, that's it. So, big reveal of the front cover. Oh, there we go. Plastic, more plastic, paper, and dust. Yes, exactly. Exactly, all adds up. Not like a few more in here of those buttons, but yeah. Somewhere else I have another box with them. What do we got on this ribbon wire? Nothing, basically just silvery shine. So, just low grade wiring. Anyway, let's try to disassemble all those. Just some screws. And nice capacitors in there. No, wrong machine. Let's get rid of all the screws as I can see. Hello Jazzy, how are you today? Nice to see you again. Now there is more hidden screws. There we go. Okay, happy for you. That sounds good. What have you eat? No, how nice caps on these capacitors. I don't see it before actually. What crap is that? This is a frequency inverter, power inverter. If it's telling you some. It's cool stuff. Quite high-end technology. And yeah, at this circuit board we got basically few thick film resistors in here. And yeah, what else I can get? Those resistors probably are useless for me. I could get maybe those piece of brass or copper. I'm not sure. What is this? Let me break one away. Look like brass. Salad 5 big oranges. Sound good. Sound good. Yeah, this is brassy. Perfect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brassy contacts I can peel out of this one. UK Scrapper, hello there. Yes, you wanna see it? I just found it. just 1 moment ago on the second board. It is right here, if I can catch the camera. Nice gold plated pins, and at this contact will be as well. Plus this BGA, not BGA, north-south chip. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Perfect. Few small ICs that could have some gold. Maybe this capacitor have some silver. Those two crystals as well, supposed to have something good in them, at least silver. Perfect. Hello there, Firebird. How are you today? Yes, scrapping is fun. And behind, yeah, few tiny thick film resistors. Just some diodes, I believe. No, it's not diodes, it's capacitor. So we had few tantalum capacitors. That's perfect. Not really a lot, but always something. Okay, let's go further with those. Cool. Nice, guys. Check out each other channels. That's for sure a good idea. Can I reach? Yo, I can. Perfect. Crappy dappy doo. Hello, Sir Ian. How are you today? Okay, another plasticky stuff. One tiny fan. Let's get it off. Why not? So, one more fan for the collection. So what are we up to, Ian, today? Are you sitting in your shack? Another two tiny ribbons. I am all the time, Jazzy. I am always careful. Yes, exactly. I want to get rid of the cable, and then later on I want to just get those fuse out and show it to everyone. And this fuse is only 25 amperes, so not really a lot. Anyway, up to 1000 volts AC. Cool. Japanese, Tokyo. I believe those ends could be silver plated. I got a few more like that. Anyway, okay, give me 5 seconds. As we're speaking about fuses, no, not necessary, Ian. It could be even silver, look like. I could test it. Anyway, what you will say about this one? 125 amperes, 500 volts, and those are for sure silver plated. Got another one, 100 amperes, and as well those are silver plated. Okay, I have some of them. Anyway, inside is basically quartz sand and tiny copper wire. Sand is for keeping the fire down, and wire is for burning when it come out too much electricity through it, and it save up your device from burning out. That's the main rule of fuses. Hello Gemma, nice to see you here. Alan Outdoors, how are you, mate? Another bunch of wires. One more. Cool, perfect, Alan. Everything going well until now. So we got one more fuse, tiny one, but yeah, always one fuse. And this one is only like 500 volts, okay? And 2 amperes. Yeah, I will for sure, Ian. I will for sure. Have you added something today? Last time I was seeing as you cutting those rotors from the engine. Okay, quite a few screws in here. Anyway, can I just take it out? Yes, I can. So behind I got nothing. At the front there is some goodies. That's holder of this small fuse. For sure will be at least brass, and all those screw holders as well will be brassy. 2 big capacitors with nothing in them. Nice copper score on those. What is this? This is diodes. Could be some silver in these capacitors. This blue one in here. Some extruded aluminum as well. 1, 2, 3 heatsinks. Some more MOSFETs. Some gold pins in this plugs in here, and 2 relays with for sure at least silver contacts on there, and tiny amount of copper in here. No, I have my tablet next to me where I look to the chat. Why? I had one monitor but it's behind me, so it's not easy to look at it. Yeah, okay, so I believe I covered up the MOSFETs are good for copper, that's true. And I got one last circuit board on this device. Let's just try to get it off. I believe I get them all. Or maybe not. Oh yeah, it's glued. But anyway, I missed one screw, as usual. Okay, that's okay. So, what we got here? Huge resistor and one. Hello, California Brooks. How are you? And this one actually is some kind of like big IC, I believe. And those stuff has cool things. Okay, thanks, California Blocks. This stuff has cool things inside. Hold this back plate, as you can see, quite thick. It's made of copper. And there is like, yeah, and there is exactly clean copper. I can even prove it to you by grabbing a file. Okay, take a no problem, and file it like that, so you can see nice and reddish color under. That's cool. Anyway, that's the same device but just slightly smaller. It has some gooey stuff inside. I have no idea how to get rid of that except just squeeze it off or scrub it off. Anyway, there are some cleaner one what I scrapped. Yes, that's right. Here I can see some gold tracing. I thought those wire will be silver, but they are not. I tested, come out negative. There's another one. In this one we have copper base, and as well no silver at all. Anyway, all base is copper, same as in here. Just need to work out how to get rid of those gooey stuff. Maybe lye will be one way, like getting rid of the mask from the circuit boards, but yeah, I need to try first. Yeah, that is my garage. That is my garage. Anyway, what do we have on the other side? This north-south bridge, a lot of this brassy contacts. Hello there, metal scrapper. Happy New Year to you as well. We got few ICs. This is not ICs. It's standing PC, so I'm not really sure. Oh, cool. Yeah, another tiny ribbon wire. Anyway, great. I almost finished with that device. What else I have here? That looks like temperature sensor. Yo, it is temperature sensor for those huge cast alu heatsink. Could be useful for some, but yeah. Let's get rid of those grounding wires. And there is look like some kind of relay. Yes, it is relay. Shall we open it up? I'm pretty sure we find silver inside. I see 4 clips, so should be easy. There we go, plastic cover. And I can see quite big silver contacts. Anyway, get rid of the springy. Wow, nice. Can you see those contacts? Quite big. And down there it is even bigger. How cool is that? And this device is a frequency inverter. Quite big, quite nice. Very nice stuff inside. I like it. And yes, let's just clean up those huge heatsink somehow. No, 2 more screws. Okay, that's look like thread. Yes, it's magnetic. We got huge resistor as well. Come on out. There we go. Ceramic resistor with extruded alu cover. How cool is that? And it has 200 watts, 80 ohms. Cool, quite big one. That thing need to get warm. Anyway, what else? Fan. One last thing of that device. One tiny fan, and we left out with the huge cast aluminum heatsink. Nice, heavy, big. That's right. All correct. Let me just check it out. If I can. Yes, I can. Yeah, I do like it as well. So 2.5 kilos. Very nice. Of cast alu. Hello there, Green Spirit Recycling Man. Nice to see you here. Thank you for stopping by. Okay, so we end up with 2.5 kilo clean cast aluminum. So that was great. Let me just collect all those tiny bits and screws and all those stuff. And yeah, what else? Cool copper in here. Copper here, silver, and all those gold and chips and all those stuff. Little brass in here. 2 tiny fans. Another front panel. handful of wiring and few plugs without any nice stuff, and one with the gold plated pins. Anyway, so that was the first device what I prepare for today. Anyway, let me just look at the watch, how much we are on. Okay, it's good time, a little bit over half hour, so not so bad. I will just get rid of those. Just leave it for further processing. And I get one more device for today. And it's look like that. I'm not really sure what is this. It looks like some kind of charging device. Quite big. It has some hanger for the cable. Anyway, it has two cables, like one coming in power, just 3 wires, not really a thick, 1.5 millimeter, no sorry, maybe 2.5 millimeter in diameter. Anyway, and it has 4 4 wires coming out, also not too thick, so I do not expect such a huge things inside. Yeah, I was thinking as well there could be some maybe tiny forklift. Thank you Metal Scrapper. I know it's nice stuff, that's why I just leave it for today. Anyway, I was expecting the front cover, it's made of alu, but I just figured out it's just plastic. But whole back plane look like alu, so it's still cool. It could be some kind of like small forklift charger. Maybe that one, what don't drive on it, you can just push it or something like that. And yeah, let me just find out the right bits for those. I believe supposed to be this one. Yes, that's right. Let's just try to get open that cover. I believe will be at least one nice transformer inside, or a few quite nice size capacitors. It got some steering panels in here, so as well supposed to be some gold under this screen. And as I showed before, backplane is made of alu, so it's already good. If I find out how to open it up. See 2 screws, but no, now I know how to get it. So I just need to hit it a bit, just like that. No, okay. I didn't expect that in here. So we got nice of steering system. So front cover as well has some alu, I believe so. Yes, alu plate sheet around. Anyway, you got nice Schneider power supply, 24 volts, and this look like custom made. Anyway, we got some steering device with inputs and outputs. I used to make boxes like that and just connecting all those stuff together. Anyway, one relay. What's this? Again, some controller. Now this is charger basically. We got fuse, 6 amperes. We got another steering, like timing things, and just few blocks, some copper wires, and basically that's it. Okay, expect much more of this one, but yeah, self-device is very modular, so you can just program it whatever you want. You got nice power supply for 24 volts. Another look like timer or counter. Yeah, I believe it's counter. It has KWH symbol, so it's counting how much electricity those things use, and even has place for the lamps. Anyway, okay, so what I will do with this, basically I'm not really sure if I'm supposed to take it apart, or should I keep it as it is and then maybe just try to reprogram it for steering some stuff, or just get it apart and keep the all the things separately. Yeah, because probably anyway I will not use it in the same configuration, so yeah, I will just do that. But yeah, I will save all those things later on. It will take a lot of time to take it apart without watching to not breaking it. Anyway, instead, as I didn't prepare any other things for now, so I can just grab some random things, or maybe you can just say what I'm supposed to do and maybe I will have that stuff. Anyway, let me just grab something to drink. And yeah, anyway, I can just approve you those fuses are silver plated. Where is my silver test? There it is. If those turn red or dark, it means it's silver. And that's the reaction. Let me get the focus a little bit. There we go. Instantly red color. And more red and bloody color is get, biggest amount of silver it is in. Second one. There we go. Okay, let's check out this, what we get today. Anyway, okay, no reddish color, it's getting greenish, and so it means Ian has right, it was not silver plated. Anyway, yeah, we tested out. Had those two big ones, definitely silver. This one are not. Okay, hello back again. I just actually approve you were right at this last fuse. See those green spot? Which means it's no silver at all. See those red spots? That is silver. Hey my car ranger, how are you today? Okay, so 3 items of your choice. What I supposed to scrap next, as those charging things look what it looks. So any ideas of use? Hello Brian, how you do? We were just scrapping some nice stuff, but it ended up. So now I'm waiting for another proposition, what to scrap next. Hello sliding slots. Okay, so it means I'm supposed to get another PC, or yeah, I have tons of stuff, but what's available? A lot of stuff, name some. Heatsinks of the boards, now they're really small, I will do it later on. See, there is like 1, 2, 3 extruded one and one normal aluminum. That's all heatsinks. Hello Jerry's Woodshelf and Outdoors. Nice to see you here. Thanks for stopping by. Not yet. Anyway, let's just take them out. Let's try. No. But it is not the way I'm supposed to do that. Where is my pliers? No, I lose my pliers somewhere. Anyway, I used to grab them with the MOSFETs together, and later on get it off. And I have full basket of such a tiny stuff. Anyway, yeah, let's just grab another item. put this aside. And this is, yeah, power supply from PC, from this small one, I believe micro ATX or something like that. And I used to find in them some brass heatsink from time to time, not always, but sometimes they show up. Yeah, because it is. And you get a lot of alu of them. And tiny amount of thread and little power board. And as I said, sometimes you get those brass heat sinks. Okay, I believe I got all screws. There we go, tiny piece of thread. What's wrong with my cutters? No, they are not that sharp anymore. And in this case I can see I got only aluminum heat sinks. But yeah, it's always good to get rid of one power supply. Okay. What's happened with your cutters? You got some line on the power? If it gets old and rusty, then it means you don't use it often enough. Okay, that's fine, metal scraper. Okay, another piece of thread. I just cut all those wires. Why not? Wires are always cool. There we go. I need to cut away the plugs as well. And SATA Power has gold plated pins. So 3 plus. And bunch of wires. Perfect. And tiny electric motor. And this one actually qualified to mid-grade, I believe. Not so much junk, some ICs, some more behind. And here Let's just get those heat sinks. Oh, those board is very crunchy. Some kind of plastic shield. Number 2. Number 3. And yeah, basically let's just get those donuts. Tiny little spools. Just one hit with the hammer and this one fall apart. And yeah, let's just grab those small IC. Why not? This will go to low grade. Same as this. Yeah, there's tiny copper spool. Why not? One more. This one are easy to take out. Just need to pull it, cut it, and basically there is our tiny bit of copper. Doesn't take a lot of work. Anyway, nothing left here. Just tiny transformer. Let's just leave it as it is. And how to get this one apart cannot be easier. Let me just locate mine. No, I don't see it. But anyway, that will do the job. And that's all. I just need to pull it. Like it is. Yes, Ian. Small things count. They all add up. Oh, there's one more piece of trash. Let's just cut it away. And another piece of copper. One more? Yeah, why not? Let's get tangled. Sometimes they get tangled, but yeah. You can always hit one more time with the hammer, so and all those stuff, guys, is ferrite and it is magnetic, so you can just drop it into your iron and it's quite heavy. So let's play with another one, because we have like 2 coils on one spot in here. Oh. Anyway, one more piece. And another tiny bits of copper. So until now we get like, yeah, handful of copper. Perfect. All cool. Okay, so let me get rid of this guy from here. So what are we up to, guys? Just get rid of this one. It's staying, yeah. Maybe I just get those I see from here. And this MOSFET as well. And those smaller MOSFETs, sometimes they containing even a gold, so be aware of that. Tiny IC, one more, and the third one. So now for sure we have low grade. Anyway, same as the rest of it. Okay, so my mark look like I'm hitting over the 1 hour, so I will slowly closing it down, and yeah, I will tell to each and every one of you, thank you for stopping by, and hope you enjoying what you were seeing and having some fun. And I will say just see you all at the next Saturday, when I'm trying to prepare some other stuff, and will be like enough for around 1 hour stream, and we will have fun again. I hope so. So Metal Scrapper, thank you. Ian Matthews, thank you as well. Flatbed Tracker, Metal Scrapper was already. Jerry Wood, Shop and Outdoors, UK Scrapper. Hope you see you all guys in the next week, because I was trying to make like weekly. I will try to make like weekly stream, and yeah, let's see what comes out of it, and I hope we will all have fun by stopping by for around 1 hour or something, and then just grab something together and just chatting and yeah, having fun. So take care everyone, see you at the next Saturday, and have fun and keep scrapping guys. Bye everyone.